Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying fundamentals. Make sure the case itself has charge and the LED responds when plugged into a known good cable. Next, open the case and examine the right earbud contact and the case receptor for lint, dust, or corrosion. Debris blocks charging. Using a soft brush or lightly dampened 70% isopropyl swab, gently clean both contacts. Once done, reseat the earbud firmly until it clicks to ensure contact. Then check the indicator again. Once the contacts are clean, you move to reset and diagnostic steps to isolate the fault. Forget the Airpods and Bluetooth, then press and hold the case button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes to force a firmware reconnect and reset pairing. Inspect the case lightning port for debris and try a wireless charging mat or another cable to rule out charger issues. Make sure to swap the earbuds positions briefly. If the right bud charges in the left slot, the case contact you finish by testing methodically. After each action, verify the right earbud shows charging in the iOS audio widget or by LED behavior. If none of the cleaning, resetting, or alternate charging methods work, schedule Apple support or an authorized repair. Battery or internal contact replacement is a common paid fix. As a key troubleshooting tip, borrow a different Airpods case or try your right bud in another case. That simple swap quickly tells you whether the issue is the earbud or the charging case itself.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.